this girl finally doesn't snore anymore and I can get good sleep. Ever since she put the mouth tape on, she stopped snoring and I sleep all throughout the night. But on top of that, so does she. And she used to always wake up. I guess this helps her get great sleep. Sleeps like a little baby now. And it's just been all around the best investment. Who's this brand? Snore on the TikTok shop? I don't know, but it came with 30 mouth tape and 30 nose strips for $10, and they're made out of silk. This is great material, and it's just such a good bang for my buck. I don't know. She said it was a flash sale. It's usually 20 and it's only 10 right now. So if you guys want some, I think it's great for everybody if you have these issues. If you want some, I'm gonna leave a link right here.